Hi viewers, I hope you are having a great time. This video is about Ropro verification in Roblox. So, without further ado, let's get into the process. The first thing you should do is download the Ropro Chrome extension. You can do that by searching for it on google.com. Once you spot it, click on the Chrome Web Store link. After landing on this page, click the blue Add to Chrome button to add the Ropro extension to your device. Once the Ropro extension has been added to your browser, go back to the Roblox website and refresh the page. After refreshing, a Verify Ropro User button will appear. Click on that button to verify your Roblox account. Now, select the first option to verify your Roblox account in-game. A new window will pop up, asking you for the emoji verification code. It's a crucial step in Ropro verification. Underneath, you'll see Get Code in Ropro User Verification. Click the icon right here to load the Ropro User Verification window. You then need to press this play button. Make sure to keep these windows open simultaneously because you'll have to copy the verification code from one window and paste it into another. Now, press this green play button right here for user verification in Roblox. It will ask you to download the Roblox game client's desktop app. After the installation, once you request a verification code, a screen like this will appear. Simply press the large blue Generate Verification Code button to generate the required code. You'll be given a limited time window to verify your account, so make sure to waste no time. Just copy and paste the emojis by selecting them together. After that, switch from the Roblox game client app to the verification screen in the browser. Simply paste the verification code in the given fields. The website will now automatically reload, and you'll see the Ropro verification icon on the top right corner of the page. This means your verification has been successful. Well, that is how to verify Ropro in Roblox. Simple, isn't it? If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Also, keep following my YouTube channel for more useful how-to guides.